We just got some fresh snow. I'm down here in the woods. We're gonna start building a Wickiup shelter. It's a pretty cool shelter. It's basically a giant teepee, and I am gonna be sleeping in it, you know, once it's complete. But today we're gonna start on it. Everything is snowy, so everything that I touch is gonna get wet, basically. I'm gonna take my backpack off of here, and I'm gonna go through everything inside my backpack for you guys to take a look, and you know, to know what I'm carrying here with me today. So, all right. So first thing on the backpack is this knife here. I'm probably not gonna be using it for much, but what I am gonna be using it for is cutting string, or my string that I'm going to be using to secure the structure. So this is what I'm going to be using this for, and probably I might be starting a fire here too, just for a little bit of warmth. This might come in handy for making curls and stuff like that. So the next thing we got here is this axe. Just a pretty simple axe, and I'm going to be using it to cut down my main poles for the Wickiup shelter. Just a simple axe. I like it. It's got orange on it, so I'm not going to lose it. At least not lose it, easily. So I've used this a little bit on the trap line and whatnot, but it's a good little axe, and it'll come in handy. I really didn't bring too much with me. What I do have here is just some tea, keep me warm, and keep my spirits up, I guess. We got that there. We just got a walkie-talkie here for communication purposes, and then on here, this is a new backpack, by the way. I really don't know how to pronounce the name very well, but it's a really nice backpack. I got it for Christmas, so it's a really nice backpack. But then here we got another pouch here on the side. All that I've got in here is a little survival blanket type of thing. I just brought this just in case I needed it for some reason. And then I've got a little whistle there, so just a simple little whistle. I'll zip that up. We got a couple other things in here. This is going to be my string for securing my main poles of the shelter, and for building, whatnot, just for tying and stuff, securing things. This is what I'm going to be using. But yeah, just simple orange string. Then I just got, pretty boring, just got another battery for the camera, and then I've got some just some wood safety matches. So all this stuff that's here is all in my waterproof pouch on here on my backpack. This stuff's gonna stay dry. That's why I put the wood matches there. So that's really basically it. It's pretty much all I brought. On my person, I have just this winter jacket, and I have some snow pants, snowmobile type pants, to keep me warm out here, warm and dry, because as you can see, we have a lot of snow. And then over there on the tree, I just got my gloves. So that's pretty much it. It's gonna be a fun day, fun little build. I'm pretty excited to start building it. So how about I figure out what we're doing? I'm gonna have to clear a little bit of stuff out of this area, and then we'll get started on the build. So. Okay, so I've sort of got a little area cleared out here. The snow's cleared off of it. Now I gotta go cut some poles for my, like the main structure of the Wickiup. So there's some geese flying in the air. Anyway, I guess I'll go get some poles cut. We'll try to get that that part up and see how it goes, and then we'll try to start adding more on and really give the shelter structure. So we're gonna get 4 poles, I think. Try to cut down 4 poles for the main structure. It's gonna be pretty cool. So I'm gonna go get those cut. Man. Just because there's snow here doesn't mean, you know, that you can't build up a sweat. I mean, I had to take off my jacket, you guys saw. I mean, it's not that, like, it's not too cold, like, actual temperature wise, but man, you just really get a sweat going when you work like that. Probably because of the temperature, but mostly probably because I'm out of shape. If you want to stay warm when it's cold, working and moving is just the way to do it, really. You just gain so much body heat. Like, I had to take my winter jacket off, now I'm just in this sweater. So I got 4 of the poles cut. I just hope it's going to be tall enough. I want there to be enough space that I can have a little fire in there too. So we'll figure out what it's like. Anyway, guess we'll get those things lashed together and see how the main structure stands. Well, we got the basic structure up. I feel like it might be sort of low, but I don't know. It's not too bad. Just gonna put my gloves and my hat back on. It's getting later in the day. I'd say it's probably close to 3 now. That's my guess, but it's probably later. We got the base structure up. This is basically what we're gonna be building onto, right? It's gonna be a big circle, basically. It's sort of the perfect width, really. Because this is gonna be out. That's not gonna be like just flat like that, you know? So, it might be perfect, honestly. Obviously, we're gonna have to figure out some kind of solution for sleeping, because I can't just sleep like this on the ground. I'll be pretty cold. So I'm gonna have to sort of even out the ground here. It's fairly even. It's just because of the snow and this extra bit of fluff and duff there, but just gotta make it so that you know, it's safe to have a fire in there. It's not gonna be a big fire, and it probably will be closer, like right about here, most likely. You know, I don't want it too close to myself because, you know, that might not be very good if I catch on fire. Might make a good video though. But yeah, it's coming along. Alright guys, so like I said, the light's fading. But anyway guys, I've ran out of time for today. We managed to get you know, the main structure finished on the Wickiup build. But you guys stay tuned for more Wickiup build videos, and you know, there'll probably be at least one more build video on the Wickiup shelter, and then I'll have the overnight in it. So I'm pretty excited for that. But thank you guys for coming along today with me. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Really mean a lot to me, and just helps out myself and the channel. So other than that, I'm gonna hightail it out of here. All right, guys, we'll talk to you in the next one.